Welcome! In this video, we're going to explore the Pythagorean inequalities, which are powerful tools for determining whether a triangle is acute or obtuse. First, let's quickly remember the famous Pythagorean theorem. For any right triangle with sides a and b and hypotenuse c, the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared is always true. This only works for right triangles. So, what happens if the triangle is not a right triangle? We can use two special inequalities. For an acute triangle, c squared is less than a squared plus b squared. For an obtuse triangle, c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared. Let's look at the acute triangle test. In any triangle, if the square of the longest side, which we call c, is less than the sum of the squares of the other two sides, a and b, then the triangle is acute. This means all of its angles are smaller than 90 degrees. Here is an example. Imagine a triangle with sides measuring 5, 6, and 7. The longest side is 7, so that is our c. We check if 7 squared is less than 5 squared plus 6 squared. 49 is indeed less than 25 plus 36, which is 61. Because 49 is less than 61, the triangle is acute. Now for the obtuse triangle test. If the square of the longest side, c, is greater than the sum of the squares of the other two sides, a and b, then you have an obtuse triangle. This means it has one angle that is larger than 90 degrees. Let's test this with an example. Consider a triangle with sides 4, 5, and 8. The longest side is 8, so c is 8. Is 8 squared greater than 4 squared plus 5 squared? 64 is definitely greater than 16 plus 25, which is 41. Because 64 is greater than 41, we can confirm this is an obtuse triangle. There's a crucial rule to check before you begin, the Triangle Inequality Theorem. This states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be longer than the third side. For instance, sides 3, 4, and 8 cannot form a triangle because 3 plus 4 is not greater than 8. Always check this first. Here's a simple summary to remember. If c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, the triangle is acute. If c squared equals a squared plus b squared, it's a right triangle. And if c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, the triangle is obtuse. Excellent work! You now have the skills to classify any triangle as acute, right, or obtuse using these powerful geometric tests. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.